Hello student, today we will discuss miscellaneous exercise from chapter 5. Question number 12. Find dy by dx if y equal to 12 times of 1 minus cos t, x equal to 10 times of t minus sin t. Since y is in the form of t and x is also in the form of t, so at first we will differentiate y in the respect of t dy by dt equal to 12 times of 0 plus differentiation of cos t will be minus sin t, minus minus it will be plus, equal to 12 sin t, dx upon dt equal to 10 times of minus differentiation of t will be 1 minus, and differentiation of sin t will be cos t. So dx upon dt equal to 10 times of 1 minus cos t. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt equal to 12 sin t upon 10 times of 1 minus cos t, right? This is the answer. You can do yourself differentiation of d square y by dx square. Now come to the question number 13. Y equal to sine inverse x plus sine inverse root 1 minus x square. Let y equal to cos theta. Therefore y equal to sine inverse cos theta plus sine inverse root 1 minus cos square theta. Since cos theta equal to sine 90 minus theta plus sine inverse root 1 minus cos square theta equal to sine theta. Sine inverse sine cancel, you will get pi by 2 minus theta. Sine inverse sine will be cancelled, you will get theta. Pi by 2 minus theta plus theta, theta cancel, you will get pi by 2. Therefore dy by dx equal to 0. Since differentiation of constant will be 0. Now question number 14. X root 1 plus y root 1 plus x equal to 0. X root 1 plus y equal to minus y root 1 plus x. I have to remove the root. For doing this, I will square both sides. After squaring both sides, I will get x square 1 plus y equal to y square 1 plus x. X square plus x square y equal to y square plus y square x. Right? You will write x square minus y square equal to y square x minus x square y. And you will break the left hand side like that, x plus y, x minus y. And the right hand side you will take x minus xy common. What will be inside the bracket? X minus y. X minus y and x minus y will be cancelled out. And so you will get x plus y equal to minus xy, and y plus xy equal to minus x, y 1 plus x equal to minus x, y equal to minus x upon 1 plus x. So dy by dx equal to minus denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon square of the denominator. After simplifying this, you will get dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. This is very important question. Now come to the question number 15. If x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square, then prove that 1 plus dy by dx whole square to the power 3 by 2 is a constant and independent of a and b. My dear student, in this question I have to find out that the value of this is a constant, means maybe in the terms of c, but will not be in the terms of a and b. Since x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square, differentiating with respect to x, you will differentiate left hand side, twice x minus a, differentiation of x minus a will be 1 plus twice y minus b into differentiation of y minus b will be dy by dx equal to 0. And twice y minus b into dy by dx equal to minus 2 times of x minus a. And 2 to cancel, dy by dx equal to minus x minus a upon y minus b. Okay. Further you will differentiate this. D square y by dx square equal to minus denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon square of the denominator equal to y minus b minus x minus a into dy by dx equal to minus x minus a upon y minus b. Right? Okay. Y minus b whole square. You will take y minus b as a constant, as a LCM. So y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square upon y minus b whole cube. Right? Okay. Now d square y by dx square equal to minus c square upon y minus b whole cube. Now we have to find out the value of this. 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 upon d square y by dx square equal to 1 plus x minus a upon y minus b whole square uh, whole power 3 by 2 upon minus c square upon y minus b whole cube, y minus b whole cube, y minus b whole cube. Okay, after simplifying this, y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square upon y minus b whole square power 3 by 2 upon minus c square upon y minus b whole cube, right? After algebraic simplification, you will get the result minus c, which is cos 10, independent of a and b, right? Now come to the question number 16. If cos y equal to x cos a plus y, prove that dy by dx equal to cos square a plus y upon sin a. Since cos y equal to x times of cos a plus y, x equal to cos y upon cos a plus y, differentiating both the side with respect to x, so dx upon dy equal to, you will differentiate this by the help of quotient tool. Denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator. After differentiating this, you will get the result this. Right? Finally, you will get the form like that: sin a cos b minus cos a sin b upon cos square a plus y. Next, dx upon dy equal to sin a minus b. Y will be cancelled. Sin a upon cos square a plus y equal to dx upon dy equal to sin a upon cos square a plus y, implies dy by dx equal to cos square a plus y upon sin a. It's required answer. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.